hygiene, okay, grooming, man and woman. You gotta groom yourself to be presentable to the opposite sex, or just in life in general. You gotta groom yourself. You know, like check this guy right out here. You know what I mean? Yeah, he just like making sure that, oh man, we got my, you know, the bigger ones are the males. So you can see that there's like about 1, 2, 3 males here, 4, you know, younger ones. It might be a family for what I know. But yeah, you know, it's a beautiful thing, you know. You gotta groom yourself, you gotta take care of yourself, okay? Don't just be superficial, but also be deep into yourself. Look into yourself. Yeah, look into yourself. Mental, spiritual, physical, and have good social attributes, you know. Sorry I didn't work with some food so I could feed them. Maybe that's why they ran up to me, because they might be hungry. But yeah, take care of yourself, groom yourself. Groom yourself, okay? Young men, pull your pants up, okay? Because in this world, if your pants ain't pulled up, someone's gonna take it off of you. So pull your pants up, young man, and put a belt in, and regain your waistline, and regain a proper spine. Have some backbone to yourself, okay? Groom yourself, pick yourself up. Yeah, elevate, motivate, concentrate, be great. Sin, longest liver, see the most things, you know what I mean? Yeah. Slow,